Hi everyone, today I have taken up the chapter number 6 of Science, Class 10 Life Processes. This is a mind map or a summary of the chapter so that it can help you revise all this chapter in a one go. So let's start with the chapter. So this is the intro and the first part of the chapter. So the intro is on the first page. It says that the life on earth depends on carbon based molecule. So the life on earth depends on carbon based molecule. Then in the intro it says that chemical reactions in body are necessary. What are those chemical reactions? The chemical reactions are oxidizing and reducing reactions. These are the important chemical reactions. There are more chemical reactions that occur, but these two are the most important ones. Now these oxidizing and reducing reactions are the means to break down molecules. Which molecules? The food that we take in is in complex form. It is broken down into smaller and simpler molecules. Then it talks about two type of organism, that is unicellular, that is one celled organism, and multicellular, which is more than one celled organism. Unicellular organism, it says that there is no specific organ for food and gaseous exchange and for the process of excretion of waste removable, and the entire surface of an organism which is unicellular like amoeba, it is in direct contact with the environment. Then talking about the multicellular organism. About multicellular organism, it says that they have specific organs for intake of food, for exchange of gases, removable of waste. That means there are different organs, different tissues that are indulged in these different functions. Then it says the cells are not in direct contact of environment. So in multicellular organisms, the cells that are in body are not in direct contact of environment. Then it talks about the transportation system. There are two works. One, it is transportation system is useful for carrying food and oxygen, and then also it transports waste away from cells. Then it says the functions of carbon and oxygen. Carbon, it is used for the chemical reactions, and oxygen is used for energy generation as used in the process of respiration. Next, this completes the intro of the chapter. Then we have nutrition. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is a process by which an organism obtains nutrition from food or nutrients from food. What are the nutrients? The nutrients are like carbohydrates, fat, vitamin, minerals, all these. And also the second thing about nutrition is that it utilizes them. The nutrition from food is utilized to obtain what? To obtain energy. Then mode of nutrition or types of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic, which make food by their own, and heterotrophic, which depends upon autotrophic for their food, cannot make their food by their own. Then further, heterotropics are divided into three categories: parasitic, saprotrophic, and holozoic. These three will be explained in the next video, so stay tuned for that as well. Next, heterotrophs depends on autotrophs for food. Now what are autotrophs? Some of the examples are green plants which do photosynthesis. Some bacteria are also autotrophs. Talk about heterotrophs like humans, animals, and fungi. We depend on what? We depend on green plants. So we are heterotrophs. So for further explanation, we will be looking forward in the part 2 of this chapter. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and stay happy.